do you respond to that? And the Congress party wants an audit to be done.
Yes, and the BJP spokesperson, I think he doesn't know that in 1962 the NSEP program has been started, that within 3 years the entire population would be vaccinated for smallpox. I think you should get your facts right, sir. Now coming to what the situation is today, the main concern should be our people and the vaccination. So if there is a problem and there is this trust deficit which is there, along with that, there is this chaos and confusion which has come in, considering the numbers. Don't you think it is better that instead of trying to be defensive and trying to not just be defensive but attacking the opposition, you might as well come clear to the people of India. You're responsible for the lives of people of India, and why can't we have an audit, and why can't we just get the whole planning straight? Because the problem with the present government is that there has to be a strategy which looks beyond this chaos and confusion and this blame game. It is the center which is in power when you have the Epidemic Diseases Act in place. So it is the center which is responsible. It is only now that you have started to say that the states are responsible. Now look at the confusion. The states were also floating global tenders. There has been too much of confusion, sir, and through you I would like to request the government to come straight on it, plan out, have a strategy and tell the people when and how we can get vaccinated. Simply saying that we will vaccinate everybody by December of 2021 is not enough. Mr. Lalpura, Uttarakhand, we haven't started vaccination for under 45 as yet, and that's a BJP rule. What would you like to say about it?
There is problem in Haryana, Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh, and this will be sorted out by this weekend. And similar, there is problem in Karnataka, Maharashtra, and Delhi also. So this is to be over. Today is Saturday, maybe by tomorrow it will go. We have stock till 15th of June. 1.80 doses are with the states. 48 lakhs are in progress. They are coming to the states in pipeline. So what else is required? Let me correct my sister. 70.
Okay, what else is required? What else is required? Asks Mr. Lalpura. But Kailash